Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly recap of Tesla. We'll do the 7th of July till the 11th of July. I haven't traded much for the past week because of my 26th birthday, so I took some couple of days off. Let's start with the 7th of July. As you can see, we opened in a big gap down. So the plan would be or deep for a bear trap, push, retest, and then move up, or the exact opposite, push up, stuff, retest, and a move down. Let's move to the 15-minute chart to recognize what are the significant levels that I want to see stuff into. Okay, so let's ignore this one. It's pretty hard to see because of this 9:15 candle. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart. So move this one and we move this one. Okay, so as we can see, we have this level here, and maybe also this one that corresponds pretty good with the level that we had, but it don't put too much weight on any of them, so I'll wait to see at the open what happens. Okay, this is the chart. Move this one and we move those. Okay, this is the pre-market low. This is 931. Yeah, pre-market low. Okay, yesterday's low opened here. Let's put a line, the open level, open, massive push, and a massive stuff. After this candle popped and failed, I shorted it here with a target of 285 and then 280. That unfortunately didn't happen. We got this nice fair breakdown and we went up again. If I'm not mistaken, I added here more, or I got stopped. Just a second, I will put my chart next to it. No, I got stopped. Break even. Okay, good risk management. And then it went down, as you can see here. Rate it right here. Very good entry by my system. We got a move down once again. Fair breakdown, and we went up. No follow through. Right here I took another short. Not a good one. Could have avoided it, and it reversed on me and went up. Traded it very good in my opinion. Besides this one, all of the trades were correct by the thesis, but no follow through. Yeah, it is what it is. Last few weeks on Tesla were very hard for the shorts. I think that we have a very big accumulation, a time frame accumulation, so every short is getting bought. But yeah, we're going by the system. If there is drawdown, there is drawdown. Nothing happens. Let's move to the 8th of July. This is the open. This is the open. Okay. So we come and see this chart. Let's put market high. Move this one. Yesterday's low is right here. And pre-market low is this is okay here. And yesterday's high. So I don't trust it very much. I'll put it right here. Okay. The main line, let's see if it corresponds. Yeah, it's pretty much the main high. Okay, 8th of July, 4 a.m. We're in a small gap up. As you can see, nothing too significant. Move to the 15-minute chart. Let's build our plan. the open candle. Okay, so let's ignore this one. What I would like to see here is because we have a time frame fair breakdown. This is a fair breakdown for me out of this. And let's say clear retest. Maybe we'll take this one. This is the retest. So I want to see a long, not very strong one. So it will be pretty much a, won't call it a counter trend long, but it won't be a one with blue skies. So or a deep fair breakdown, reclaim and push, or fair breakout, but I want to see it closes under the pre-market high and go down. See what we got, 1 minute chart. This is not the date. Okay, 8th of July. Yeah, we got exactly what I was expecting. Fair breakdown at the gate. Boom, long it here. Stuff. One more try. Stuff again. Then it goes down. Does a fair breakdown of the first candle's low. Also this swing low. And it went up. Grind. Shitty price action. Boom, sold off aggressively and then soaked up. Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, I've shorted it here and then added more and then got stopped. Wait a second, I will check the chart because I don't remember vividly. Okay. Okay, so I longed it actually. Yeah. Open, fabric down, went up, pull back. This is a fabric down for me, small one. Not a wrong trade after we soaked up, longed it, but it was just another fake out. Got stopped, then immediately reversed it short here, added more here, and got stopped once again. After I did this ugly directional chop, went down. I looked mainly at the 5 minute chart, if I remember correctly. Yeah, the 5 minute chart, I looked at this level, also this, and also the 1 minute 9 EMA. And after the bear trap here happened, I press this one, entered long with target of this high because we have here big head and shoulders, a lot of shorts are chasing it down. This is the main liquidity area. Also this one covered long it here, very nice long, covered D1, another partial, and waited for more for the half day breakout, but after this week went down and up, moved my stop to here, was a bit, didn't have the enough patience to wait, and I got another fake breakdown, and then it went up and gave a pretty nice move. Looking back, I should have waited maybe for a half day, but not a great trade after all. Pretty nice one, but I could have avoided maybe this one, and I could have managed it a bit better, but it is what it is. Let's move on to the 9th of July. Was my birthday, so I didn't trade. Let's see, seeing it for the first time. I didn't went over it, so we'll go after it over it together. Okay, let's put our levels. Pre-market high, pre-market low. This is 8 a.m. candle. We'll see later. Yesterday's low. Yes. And yesterday's high. Okay, let's go. Let's move to the 15-minute chart. Market high. Okay. So for me, after this pretty big fair breakout, I really like this pattern. It comes quite much in this same exact formation. I would like to see open, fake out, and dump, and oh my god, if it happens, it's just perfect scenario. Picture perfect, but we can also open and instantly dump, so we need to work accordingly. Let's see, this is the 8th of July, so we'll go one day forward. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. Open with a massive fair breakdown, delivering longs, went up, created an eye, and down, boom, fake out to the 300 and the pre-market eye, and there just chopping around, no real follow through. I just don't like it. This is a short, head, head, and then you pretty much get stopped or break even or take a full stop. This is probably another good short right here. It stopped once again, went down. Boom, this is a long signal, but our thesis is not for the long side. And this is the one. See at the 5-minute chart. Let's erase all of them. What a beauty. What a beauty. Clear level, backside clear out, and boom. Went down. So we need some patience here. You would probably get stopped quite a few times. Let's see, this high is 298, 98, and this one is 299. So probably if you would have shorted here and put your stop here, but should have probably got stopped out, but not for a big stop. Then you can re-enter, and this is the move. Wow, what a move. What a move. This is your cover signal, this fake breakdown. See if we got any follow through. No, not sold, but this is a nice 5 points move. Not bad. Not bad after all, but it was pretty tough one. Pretty tough. In hindsight, it's pretty clear, but when you're there, it's much more difficult. Much more difficult. I would have shorted it here, maybe a here or something, or here. Get stopped, maybe re-enter here. It's not a bad one. Goes down, boom. Stop you once again. I don't know if I would have taken this one because too many stops, but yeah, it gave the move. After all, it gave the move, but not in the clearest way. Let's go over to the 10th of July. Same pre-market high and low. I'm mistaken. Yeah, same pre-market high and low. Yesterday low is here. Yesterday high is here. And as you can see, we did a nice reclaim here. So this is pretty much cancelled as we reclaim this level. And it's like, see, pretty much 50-50 here. And I tend more to the long side as we had this nice fair breakdown. And it's the last fair breakdown that happened or fair breakout. So this happened, this one pretty much cancelled this one. So we soaked back up. So I would like to see a long at the gate. This is and this is what we got. Opened, dipped, and pushed. Cursor correctly. This one here and this one here. No, this is the night. This is the night of July. I'm sorry, I didn't know this. It didn't take me to the next day. Okay, opened right here. So instant push triggers a fair breakdown. Another candle dip and push. This is your long entry. Goes up, sold off, sold off, sold off. Tiny, tiny, tiny backside clear. Sorry, not a backside clear, a flag, tiny flag here. Flash comes up, flash comes up. You can add here more, and then pretty much cover discretionary. And then I don't see any other clear entry signal. No, nothing here. Pretty much nothing. Nothing to see, just choppy price action. This was the trade here. Maybe cover some here. Another leg. Cover more if you can, and then the leg fails, goes down, and just nothing to see. Let's look at the 5-minute charts if we can get some hints. Very nice one. Very, very nice. Pretty much nothing. Yeah, just ugly chop. Maybe this one. Takes both of them, but I wouldn't shorted it. Let's go to the 11th of July. Yesterday's high. Yeah, no, this is yesterday. Pre-market high. Right. No. This is the pre-market high. Pre-market low. And yesterday's low. Right. Here, yes. Okay. So plan here. Probably a pullback and a breakout unless we go down under this level, retest, and boom, went down and go down. And it's not so, I don't think it's common to happen. I like to say fair breakdown or instant push and boom, move up. Let's see what we got. Yeah, exactly that, but not in the very clean way. Open, fair breakdown, probably would have longed here, get stopped. Once again, another trap, then we went up. I don't see any clear trade. Maybe this one to long it, but then you get stopped. Maybe the reclaim you can re-enter and take it to the top. Nothing too clear. And when things are not clear, you move to the 5-minute chart and it gets clearer. Probably long here, nothing happens. Reclaim, you can long again. Goes down. Maybe this one. But yeah, once again, if you're trading it on the 1 minute, you would have got stopped out. Yeah, nothing clear. Nothing clearer. So I didn't miss much, but we have to come each day and do our best. Don't know what would have happened if I would trade this day. Yeah, it is what it is. Probably a no trade day. Yeah, Tesla for the few weeks behaving not the best. Pretty difficult to read. Shorts have no real follow through, but I think it's because they're preparing a big move up. But let's see. Only time will tell. Thank you very much, guys. It was a pleasure.